Stan, you're never getting back in.
I got a delivery for Klaus Heisler.
Ooh, hello. I wonder what it is. Oh, it's big. It's so big. And it's all for me. What could it be? Maybe a giant aquarium? Maybe it's a lifetime supply of fish food. Or maybe it's Stan, Francine, and Haley. All right, guys. Truce. Welcome home.
He's opening it. It's working.
Oh, no. Not the kitties and the birdies!
Once they've taken care of Klaus, the house will be ours again.
I killed them. I killed them all! Do you hear that, Stan? Ah! Nice try!